Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to stop people from tagging you. Not want random people tagging you in photos or posts. Here's how to control or stop tags on Instagram. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile and then click on the three lines option on the top right corner of your phone. Then what you'll have to do is select settings and privacy and scroll down to the section how others can interact with you, and then tap tags and mentions. Now you'll see the option of who can tag you. Allow tags from everyone, allow tags from people you follow, or either just don't allow tags. You can also turn on mutually approved tags. With this option you'll get a request whenever someone tries to tag you, and you can approve or deny it. And that's it. Now you control who can tag you on Instagram or stop tags altogether. I hope this video helped you guys on how to stop people tagging you on Instagram. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys